Hello friends, welcome to the Gardening School YouTube channel. One of my subscribers asked that can he plant night jasmine in a pot and will it flower in the pot? So you can see this is my night jasmine plant that I planted in the pot 2 years ago and it is flowering at this time. Even in the last year it had flowers. Flowering starts in October and continues till the end of November. These flowers bloom at night and fall in the morning. Flowers have a nice fragrance but do not have a strong fragrance like mogra or jasmine. Some people had the question that if they grow night jasmine from seed, then how many years will it take to flower? I have planted this plant from the seed itself and after planting it, it flowered in the next year. But it did not produce seeds. When the plant becomes 4 to 5 years old, only then the plant produces seeds. Now let's talk about how big pot should be taken to plant night jasmine. The pot size depends on the size of the plant. If you are growing it from seed or you have taken a small plant from nursery, then initially plant it in a 8-inch pot and keep changing the pot as per the size of the plant. If you will keep it in a same pot, then its size will not increase. Just like my plant is in a 12-inch pot, if I don't repot it in a bigger pot, then its size will not increase and it will remain the same. So how big the plant will be depends on how big pot you have taken. The plant will grow as large as the roots of the plant will get. Now let's talk about potting mix. In potting mix, you can take 50% garden soil, 30% cow dung compost or vermicompost and 20% coco peat. If the soil has more clay, then you can add some sand also. Now let's talk about when to plant night jasmine. See, winter is just beginning and now the dormancy period of night jasmine will start. The best time to plant it is after winter. You can plant its seeds or you can also buy a small plant from local nursery and keep it in a place where it gets direct sunlight for 6 to 8 hours. It grows vigorously if it gets good sunlight. So friends, today's video was about night jasmine plant. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, then comment. See you again soon.